Summertime is around the corner, and what is more succulent than a savory popsicle? I'm gonna show you how you can enjoy it just like she is. I'm AJ from Savory Thoughts. Let's get started. This is probably going to be one of the easiest island flavored popsicles you can enjoy, but don't worry, I'm gonna share more other videos with you. Start by peeling the mango and set it aside. Next, let's grind down our blueberries until they become syrupy. The exact measurement and amount of blueberries can be located on our website at savorythoughts.com. So let's go ahead and strain the blueberries so we can have a smooth liquid. So the remainder should be free of any pulp. And we are also going to grind the mango using a food processor as well. Same process as the blueberries, minus the straining. Using a popsicle mold, you can start pouring the blueberries and the mangoes about halfway for each. Or you can mix them. You can be as creative as you like to be. It's all up to you. The only thing is, at the end, you are going to enjoy the heck out of this. Now place your mold in the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours, but preferably overnight, and enjoy it the next day. And that's it, folks. The perfect addition to your summer cookout or just for a family fun time. It's always a good hit for the kiddos. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, give us a comment, let us know how you enjoyed it. And of course, my baby girl is gonna show you how she enjoyed it. And don't forget to check our website for more succulent recipes. Take care.